Hey, beautiful babes, it's your girl, Sweet Angel. How you be? How you doing? Hope you're doing okay today. Listen, y'all, got a good one for you. Let's get to it. Wait a minute, before we do, make sure you subscribe and hit that post notification bell so you can join my beautiful babe brigade. Do you want to smooth wrinkles, slow down age-related changes, brighten your skin? Do you want to transform your skin within a month? Are you ready to shrink large pores and tighten and firm your skin? Dealing with hyperpigmentation, pimples, and blemishes? Well, watch this video to transform your skin. Surprisingly, we're using two simple, readily available ingredients. First, we're starting with almond milk, unsweetened almond milk. Almond milk benefits the skin by providing lots of moisture. It keeps your skin plump and well hydrated. It contains vitamins B6, C, and E, even zinc, calcium, magnesium, and more, all with numerous beauty benefits for your skin. Almond milk will rejuvenate and refresh your skin and keep it soft and glowing. And it can also be used to lighten the skin and repair aging skin. And everyone knows that almonds are rich in vitamin E, which will help improve your skin's health. And you'll only need just a teaspoon of it. And then our fun ingredient for the last couple of treatments has been potato starch. Yes, here we are again. It's wonderful to use potato starch in a mask because it's going to help smooth wrinkles on the skin and significantly slow down age-related changes. And it also helps to whiten the skin. Most often it's used for aging facial skin. The benefits of potato starch for facial skin are numerous. It will help transform your skin within a month. Many women even claim that it is better than Botox. The skin is tightened and there is no negative effect on it. For the face, you can use not only potato starch, but also cornstarch. Potato starch has a thicker consistency, so its anti-aging properties are higher. But if you're a young lady, cornstarch is suitable. For older women, potato starch is best. The astringent properties in potato starch helps to shrink large pores and tighten them as well, and even firm the skin. Potatoes can do wonders for your skin as they contain vitamin B, vitamin C, iron, and calcium. Using this potato and almond milk mask will help with hyperpigmentation, pimples, and blemishes, and it's going to leave your skin clear and smooth. You only need 2 tablespoons of the potato starch. And this is what it looks like right here. That was so simple, very simple, mixed up quite well. Now, as far as the application, just apply a thin layer, leave it to semi-dry, and then apply another layer. You can coat as many times as you like. I only did it 2 times, and I also like to fan my face dry to make it go faster. And here I forgot I had my little portable fan that I stole from my daughter, and I love it so much to help my mask dry quicker. You can leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes. And after about 15 to 20 minutes, it's all dry. Time to wash it off. And then simply rinse off with warm water. Just rinse it away. Do y'all see that? My pores are nearly completely gone, diminished. Wow. And honey, quickly add your moisturizer. Use this mask at least 2 times a week for best results, more if you choose. Always do a patch test to make sure this works for you and there are no negative or adverse reactions. This mask will last in your fridge up to 5 days, so enjoy yourself with it for almost a week before having to remake. Another amazing creation. And there it is, beautiful babes. Your girl, Sweet Angel, bringing it to you right here on Beauty by Sweet Angel. Y'all make sure you don't keep me a secret now. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and do what? Absolutely. Share me with your world. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.